Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Gopal Krishna from Spiritual Tablet Research Foundation. I am very happy to announce that Spiritual Tablet Research Foundation is stepping into Canada. We are going to conduct Level 1 Spiritual Tablets Training Workshop. For this, on coming 14th May, we are conducting an introductory workshop for Spiritual Tablets introduction. It is on 14th May, Friday, evening 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. You can log into Zoom or through Pyramid Call Services Canada by YouTube and Spiritual Tablets Canada YouTube channel. After going through the introductory workshop, you will understand what are spiritual tablets, why it is formed and what it is working, and how greatly you can participate in spiritual science service through the spiritual tablets. You can work like a spiritual doctor through the spiritual tablets. So all the details will be given in the introductory workshop. After the introductory workshop, if you are interested, you can sign in the Google form by giving the basic details. And you can go through the 12 basic spiritual tablets, 2 classes. The first class will be on 16th and the second class will be on 20th. That is evening 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Then you are going to attend a screening exam on 12 spiritual tablets because those are the basics. That exam will be on 23rd May. Same time, evening 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. After the exam, based on the marks you get, the people who are vegetarians and meditators for more than 40 days and who are having a compassionate interest in doing spiritual service patiently for the patient gods and who got more than 50% marks, they will be finalized and they must know to speak Kannada. Writing is not mandatory. If you know writing also, it is very great. Otherwise, the speaking of Kannada is very, very important. And please note that this workshop is not for any Telugu, Hindi, English or any other language people. It is exclusively for Canadians who can speak and understand and listening Kannada very well. And once you are selected for this level 1 workshop, then every week we are going to conduct 2 sessions, spiritual tablets, actual spiritual tablet sessions on every Thursday and Sunday evening 7 to 8:30 p.m. Some of the masters from Kannada and most of the masters from Telugu, they will teach in Kannada, and that after this workshop, 3 months workshop, you have to write exams every month, consecutively 3 exams until the course is completed. The course will be 3 months module or 1.5 months module, and you will be taught 150 spiritual tablets and the exams will be there. You can clarify all your doubts through the masters who are teaching in Telugu and it will be translated into Kannada language. So this spiritual tablets 3 months training, once it is completed, based on your experiences and interest, either you will work in workshops section or counseling or website, backend management, volunteering, and so many departments you will understood during that workshop time. And accordingly, you can continue your spiritual science service in Spiritual Tablet Research Foundation. So for any doubts and clarifications, please go through the website www.spiritualtablet.org, and you can download the Spiritual Tablets app from the Play Store, Android app, and there also you will get the information in the flyer. And for any doubts, you can contact Lakshmi on the phone number 790-133-2473. Once again, I am repeating 790-133-2473. And Manikanta 960-330-5763. So in these numbers you can contact and you can get the flyer, and please try to attend the introductory workshop of Spiritual Tablet Research Foundation on 14th May evening 7 p.m. in YouTube channel Pyramid Call Services Canada and Spiritual Tablets Canada YouTube channel. Evening 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. During the introductory workshop, you will come to know all the details. And thank you very much for all the Kannada Spiritual Tablets Masters who are already trained in Telugu, and they are giving their great assistance so that the Spiritual Tablets wisdom can be given to all Canadians. Thank you very much for this great opportunity. Thank you all.